all my yarny friends, it's Dora, that yarny zebra, and I was working on our corner to corner make your own subscribe pillow challenge with you guys back in the first part of February. So I am back with where we left off. We had worked our way back up the stairs here. I'm using a size 4 yarn and a 5.5 millimeter hook. See if we can get that to focus right there. 5.5 and yep, there it is. Clover. And I have worked my way back up the steps until we are here at the decrease. Normally we would be working another step up and another step up here, but because we are decreasing, what we are going to do is just take our hook with our stitch on it, take our hook and do a slip knot right here. And then you would turn your work. You got your work turned. You take the tail that is facing us and you put it over behind your hook. I don't know why I'm flashing. I'm sorry. Put it over. Yeah, I think it's doing that because my hand is in the picture. I don't get that. But anyway, and you do another slip stitch. And that locks in that working yarn. Do another slip stitch. We are continuing with our decreasing. Another slip stitch right in here. And then I like to go into that chain space, pull up one more slip stitch, turn our work to where we are going to chain 3 only. We're not doing the 6. We're chaining 3, which will count as our very first double crochet. We pull some yarn out here. Sorry about that. We're going to yarn over, go into our chain space, and do a double crochet. 1, 2, I'll do the slower, and hopefully that flashing will stop. 1 more, yarn over, put it through that chain space, pull it up, yarn over, pull through the last 2, and that is our first step. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our first step. We're going to join it with this right here, slip stitch, and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, and we're just going to work our way up this staircase. This is 2. And this is the 3rd one. You just keep working until you get back up to the top of the steps. And when you get up here, because we are not decreasing, you get your way back up to here You make your 6 chains. Come back down into the 3rd chain from the hook and work it, work it, work it. I will give you I'm going to meet you right here just in case you may have forgotten what we're doing there. So I will meet you right here. So keep working all the way up the steps. Okay guys, I'm here at the very last double crochet before we are here. Okay, and you're just going to do your slip stitch, chain 3 like normal. We're working on the top step before we get to the wall. Double crochet, double crochet, come on baby. Double crochet, I know this is moving fast. What do we do here? We're at the wall. We're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, pinch, 4, 5, 6. And then you're going to yarn over and come down where you pinched. Go in there, get the 2 chains on your hook. 2 loops, I'm sorry, 2 loops on your hook. And do it again, and you get right into that floor, or the basement as we call it. This is number 2. And right here we're going to push into that bottom. And this is number 3. And here we have it all again, starting over. Flip your work. And join with a slip stitch. And we're starting climbing right back up, all the way to the top again. But if you look how this is here, you don't go to this wall because we have decreased already. So this is what this is looking like. And it's just going to build across. It's going to build all the way across and keep going. And we're going to do that for until we have about 3 feet of it's going to look like a big scarf that's going to stretch out. Okay, there's where we are. And keep working, keep going up. When you get up to here, remember that you just slip stitch and turn your work and then go back up the steps like so. You'll keep climbing up and keep working this. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I will bring on the white part next. That will be just a rectangle, and we'll get right to it.